Hi everyone, today I have a little unboxing here from Louis Vuitton. This was a Christmas purchase or pre-Christmas purchase for myself to put under the Christmas tree, but I just couldn't wait the extra 2 more days left, and I thought I will do a quick little filming and then I'll put it back in the packaging and I will put it under the tree. So I'm cheating a bit, but I really wanted to share this cutie with you all. So let's open it up. And for those of you who are following me on Instagram at Hello Catwalk City, you will have already seen a picture of this because my SA at the Louis Vuitton store took a photo of this item and texted it to me to make sure that I wanted it. And I shared that photo on my Instagram account. So I guess that was a bit of a spoiler alert. But for those of you who have not seen it, this will be a little fun surprise. So I'm going to open it up. You may already be able to guess based on the shape of it. It is a tiny little coin purse with the Venice Christmas animation. Look at Vivian. Oh, so cute. I loved how the colors were so vivid on this one. And I really wanted a coin purse. And I thought it was just a small, tiny little item that would be fun to have in the Christmas animation as a pop of something different versus the more common just monogram or the damier ebene. So the inside is really what is so super cute. The inside has this beautiful, beautiful pop of blue. And it says here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And it's all blue. It's like it's a true blue, sort of like a royal blue, and then it's got the light pale pink and some beige. I mean, the colors are just so vivid. So I waited a while for this item. I was actually on the wait list and my SA hunted it down for me. So thank you to her, Janet, at the Louis Vuitton store on 57th Street here in New York City. She's amazing, and it came just in time because I said to her, if it doesn't come by Christmas, then I don't know if I really want it because I kind of want it as a little Christmas goodie. And she texted me just about a week ago. So perfect timing. Here's the gold hardware with the LV on both sides. The zipper is very smooth. I intend to use this for my earbuds because I kind of wanted something flat and tidy for them, but you can obviously use this for coins. That's what it's originally meant for. Let me do a quick comparison of this next to the mini pochette in case you own that, and then you can kind of see the size. Because this is round, it's hard to sort of imagine how big or small it is. At least for me it was a little tricky. So here is the mini pochette, and it is very similar in height, and then I would say it's probably a little bit wider than half. You see? So if this is half of the mini pochette, it's just a little bit wider than that. And then obviously it's much thinner because this is just a larger pouch. And this is not large. For those of you who have this, you know it's not a large pouch by any means, but it does hold quite a few knickknacks, and I have it, I mean, I could fit more, but I have a whole bunch of stuff in here, including makeup. And this one here can fit a lot of coins, I would imagine, because it does puff out like this. But I do, like I said, intend to use it specifically for my earbuds because I don't have the AirPods. They don't work for me. They fall out of my ears. So I still have the old school wired earbuds from Apple, and they get tangled. So I think keeping it in here sort of wrapped up will keep it really nice and tidy. So that's it, guys. This was a really super quick video, but I really wanted to unveil this and share it with you before Christmas, like I said, because I'm impatient. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this item, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.